Hello, everybody. Good day, good afternoon, good morning, good night, regardless from where you're going to be watching this stream. Quickly, in case you are fortunate to see this recorded video, please take note. I just thought I should, try to share this, what I'm looking at right here on AUD USD. Alright, guys, so here we go. I don't want to waste much time, okay? So let's quickly talk about this. Okay, let me make use of this chart right here. So this is AUD USD. So quickly I'll quickly take us to the dollar index right here. So right here on the dollar index, I can clearly see how the market is reacting at this junction. So this was okay, excuse me guys, let's do this. All right, so all the way back here. All right, so back in time, this was where we have markets past resistant area, right, before the market broke to the upside, and now we're right here. So what I'm going to do now is just going to take this guy off. So we are done with the resistance, because that is what the market usually used to do once it's successfully break away from past resistance to gravitate to the next resistance that we can see right here. So we are at the area right now. Okay, I'm having an interruption. So we are at that area. So all of this area from here, like this, all the way down like this to this level, from here all the way, are what are past resistance, all right, on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so for me, I'm expecting the market to reverse, like, make its way to the downside on the dollar index at this area. So this is one chart pattern that I don't know, maybe it's called pendant, I really don't know, but I call it chaos pattern. And now why do I have to use that word for it? Chaos pattern is because this market, this guy right here, all right, this is what it normally does. The market at this junction, at this point in time, it's on the smaller time frame. Okay, as we can see here, the market, coming all the way from the downside here, it made higher high, higher low, and higher high, and higher low, and higher high. So in no time, if we are not careful, we might be thinking this market is going to, go all the way up. All right, we might think it's going to continue its way up, but for me, I'm looking at this market selling. But at the same time, the market on the dollar index is very, very tricky. All right, we might also be expecting the market to sell. All right, we might be expecting the market to sell, like drop, maybe even go a little higher, then finally drop to the downside. All right, but from what I'm looking at, this is what I want to see. In my own humble opinion, all right, this is what I would love the market to do. I would love the market to come down here. So this chaos pattern, okay, we are also going to see it on the AUD USD. All right, the market made the higher highs, and before you know it, it's going to start making a lower low. All right, and it can even go all the way up back and start coming down again. All right, guys, so let's be careful with the AUD, the dollar index pairs. All right, we want to be careful because this is a chaos pattern. All right, and the market can do whatever nonsense it wants to do. So let's be careful. So this is the dollar index. I'm just trying to share the analysis so that we can be all aware at the same time that what is going on right now is something that we have to be very careful. But and if you are very smart, this is a pattern that you already know it is not a big deal for you, go ahead and trade it, as the professional that you are, no problem. But as a beginner like me and like every other one or every other beginner analyst, forex trader right here, please, let's be careful. Okay, this is just my own humble opinion. Okay, please. And AUD USD, let's get to it. You guys can see it's doing something similar. I was actually trading it yesterday, and once the market got to this level, I took my profit out of it because I was expecting the price to come towards on the 4-hour time frame fair value gap area within this level, but it seems like it's playing around, so I really don't know. So as what we saw on the dollar index, we can clearly see something similar here right now, right? So we might at this point in time be expecting price to just go all the way up, go all the way up. But then we can also be disappointed if the market for any reason decide to fall all the way down. All right, even go a little bit deeper before pushing to the upside. All right, so we can see a scenarios like this. So if this kind of scenario happen, this is going to be referred to as a chaos pattern, and we might put our stop loss in where we might be thinking that the market is not going to hit our stop loss, and at the end of the day, before we know it, the market has taken us out on the stop loss and started going the opposite direction. All right, so that is the reason why I'm saying let's be careful on this one. The dollar index, the dollar, the AUD, I really don't know what's going on. If you are smart to trade it, go ahead. But for me, to be honest, I really want to buy this guy. But right now, my decision for me is that I am staying out of this market. After all, we have like 28 currency pairs. So if this is chaos pattern for me, I guess I just have to stay out and go and look for another currency pair that's all right, that is going to be favorable for me, and just trade it. All right, guys, so it's just a short one and a quick one. So I call this should I call it a whistle blowing? Just joking. So it's just an alert for some of us to be careful, because what I'm looking at right now is a chaos pattern I'm seeing playing out right now. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. If you like it, if you appreciate it, please smash the like button. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. And before I'm going to drop another trading setups or a trading education, please just stay tuned with me, and we'll see you soon. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye for now.